So I'm in the middle of getting this lovely little 1960s Swedish mahogany runabout ready for the season. So this boat will get a full refinishing. And while we've been scraping off the old finish, we've found out that some of the wooden plugs or bungs have gone missing. And I'd like to show you how to replace them. So the first job is to release the screw, which in this case is fairly straightforward. And next I want to get myself a nice clean hole here. So the challenge is, if you drill like this, there's nothing that helps stabilize the center tip here. So the drill bit will just wobble around and leave a very, very nasty hole. So in this case, I'll be using 10mm plugs or bungs. So I'm drilling a hole here in this stick with my 10mm Forstner bit. Like that. And now I want to align this stick directly over the hole that I want to drill out. So I'm sighting down from above. And when I'm right over it, hold it nice and tight against the wood, and I put my drill bit in there. And now I have a perfect new hole.